Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch from demo account to real account on pocket option. So if you want to switch from the two account, from your demo account, which is the account that has zero fears of losing your capital, moving down to the one that has a high risk of losing your capital, which is demo and the real account. Here is a quick tip on how to do that. So if you want to move from the demo back to the quick account, which is the real account, here is how you can get it done. The first thing you have to do is tap on this profile icon at the left top corner of the screen. Once you do that, then you will tap on the trading option, which is trading. Tap on trading, then you can see the account is under demo. So from there, just tap on real account, tap on it, then it will switch the account automatically from the quick demo down to quick real account. You can see it up here, right here, QT real USD, which is quick real account. So you can just tap on it, then you notice that it is 0. You can see this is the balance. You can see the balance for the quick trading demo, and this is the account for the quick trading real, which is the real account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.